Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be a what's on my nails video. My hair is just, I'm loving how light and airy it is, but I'm trying to keep it like in one style. However, it does feel so good to just ride with the wind blowing through my hair. Like, I cannot tell you how long it's been since I've literally just had the wind blowing through my hair without like a wig or sewing in or anything like that. So I am at Walmart again. I'm gonna get my nails done here. I am needing to hurry up because I have to pick my kids up from school in a little bit. So this is what my nails look like now. This one actually cracked a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna get this time, but I will keep you all updated and I'll let you know when I come out. Hopefully I can actually get in. I did not make an appointment, so we will see. Give the video a thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed. And if you're wondering why I have this on, I had it on because I thought it looked good with my with the pants that I have on, like the whole outfit. But now that I'm looking at it, kind of, I don't know, I always go to this is like my favorite jean jacket. It probably will always be my favorite jean jacket. But anyways, give the video a thumbs up, please make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll be back with you all in just a little bit. All right, so I am leaving Walmart's nail salon. I was not really satisfied this time with it, but for the convenience, get in, get out, you really can't. I mean, I can't complain too much, to be honest. I don't have to worry about making an appointment, or every time I go to the Walmart salon, it's never super packed where I have to like wait. I got my toes done there a little bit ago, I think like 3 days ago, and I didn't feel like waiting. I didn't feel like, not even waiting, but I didn't feel like being there for like over 3 hours, because once the pedicure is done, you know, I typically go over and get my nails done, but I just did not feel like spending, what day was it? Was it Saturday? Yeah, I didn't feel like spending my Saturday, like 3 hours of my Saturday in there. So I just got my toes done, which I'm going to show you all probably somewhere in this video. But this is what I got on my nails today. I got like a light glitter. This hand, it looks darker to me than this one, but I'm not trying not to be too picky. I do have some like polish on my fingers, but that's okay. I'm just gonna wash them really good, and hopefully the polish will peel off. I didn't want anything too dark, but I didn't want anything this light either. As you can see, like this hand looks very, like a lot lighter than this, like super light, which I don't like because I don't know, like I just don't like it like that. And then this hand, the filing, the way she filed them, I really don't like it either. I do know when I showed you all before I actually went into Walmart, my nail was chipped. So because of that, you know, some people are really good with fixing like chipped nails and some people just aren't. But the way that she did it was she added more gel to my nail, and she didn't like she didn't file it like how I wanted it to, so it could be a distinct shape with the new gel added on top of my nails. Like I do have an overlay, so I know it's a little bit different than with tips, but still I've had it done before where my nail broke and they fixed it and it still looked really nice. So this hand is my least favorite hand this time because it's very light and it's not really, the shape isn't really as defined. Like you can see this nail, this is the one that cracked and it's not defined. And then this one didn't break or anything, but this is still not defined either. It's just like lopsided, but this hand is very defined. I don't want to say very, but it's more defined than this one. So I don't love them, but I don't hate them because I'm so limited on time with, you know, everything that I have to do. Like, I'm really excited that my sons have become more active with extracurricular activities, but with the activities, with the business side of things that I'm doing, also me and Tyra are about to start some extracurricular activities too. I'm not going to announce what they are yet. I may vlog it, I'm not sure. But there's just a lot, you know, and then also me figuring out just life stuff, you know. I don't really have the time to really, like, I guess, stay on someone about my nails. I voiced that I didn't like this nail, but when I saw that she really couldn't fix it, I was like, I'm not going to keep talking about it. I'm really not. They're okay. Again, they're not my favorite. I probably will go back, though, just because of the convenience, and hopefully I'll get the person that did my nails prior. I think I'll request him, but they're not horrible. I have had worse. I've also had better. This hand just looks more like, it just doesn't look as professional and polished as this hand to me. And I hate when that happens. I really do. Because if I had the time, I would really go in there and be like, hey, I don't like that. Can you fix this? Can you fix that? But I really don't have the time to do all that. So I'm not even going to stress. And then sometimes with glitter, it's really hard to get the right distribution throughout both hands. Like when I have glitter, no matter where I go, sometimes I always have one hand that's has a little bit more glitter or darker than the other. You know, it's just kind of like hit or miss, but it's neither here nor there. I'm not gonna like dwell on it too long. I'm gonna show you all my toes, and I'm gonna run in and get some lunch. As far as like my long nails, for you that have been wondering, like, does she miss her long nails? Is she gonna go back to long nails? My answer to that is, I don't know. I don't know. I do know if I miss them or not. Like sometimes I miss them, sometimes I don't. But am I gonna go back to long nails? I don't think I am anytime soon. Why? It's just I don't really see the need for it. And not saying you need to have long nails. I never needed long nails. I just really wanted them. I don't really have that urge inside of me that really makes me want long nails. You know, I'm okay with my shorter nails. I am okay with my overlay. I really enjoy wearing my natural nails over overlays at this point. I just do. I'm gonna go ahead and go in here because it's getting packed and get me a smoothie or something to eat, and then I'll be right back to finish up this video. All right, so I'm back, and I tried to show you all like a glimpse of what my toes look like when I was in Tropical Smoothie, but I'm gonna have to insert some closer pictures so you all can have a better view. But I like my toes. It's just the kind of the same complaint that I have with my nails. They just aren't really like crisp. They did a great job with getting my ingrown toenail out. They did a great job with the massage, which really had me wanting to come back to them specifically for my pedicures, because normally I'll go around to different places to get my nails done depending on what I'm looking for and how I feel and what's convenient. But for my toes, I almost always go to the mall because that's just who I trust with my toes. They do the best. And you know, I really want my toes to look well. And a lot of times I'll get my nails done sooner than I will my toes. So that's one of the reasons why we're going the right. Which way do I want to go? Yeah, it should be okay. That's one of the reasons why I want to, that I'm so, you know, strict on who I get my toes done by, because I normally have my toes done longer than my nails. So the massage was amazing. However, I don't like that the nails aren't as crisp. And what I mean by that is, like, when you file them, they're not as defined. Now, like a square defined shape, and then the line for the French manicure wasn't really defined either. I do want to say, though, with my overlays, I haven't been that specific or that adamant on a shape. Like, whatever shape they go with is what I go with, because I've been going with the flow, with the normal shape, the natural shape of my nail. However, or not even, I guess just whatever the nail tech does, I kind of go with that when they ask me, do I like it? And then when I say I don't, when I say that I want it to be more square, it's like it doesn't get as square as I'm looking for it to get anyways. And then I regret speaking up, and I wish that I would have just let them do the initial shape that they were doing, because the initial shape looked better than the square shape that they tried to do. It's just a lot. So now I've gotten to the point where I'm either probably gonna keep going to Walmart for a while, and then I may end up trying to do my nails myself again, like I did during COVID. It's just I don't really want to, but I do see some beneficial reasons in doing so. Longer nails, if I get longer nails, it would probably be if I'm going like on a vacation or a trip, which I may be doing in like a month or two. And I may get long nails, and then again I may not. I just haven't felt like drawn to have to, I don't want to say have to, I don't know why I keep saying that, but I just haven't felt drawn to long nails like I used to. Wish I would have turned back there. But yeah, so that's how it's been. I'll give you another look. They're not horrible, but they're not my favorite either. Switch the lighting side so you can kind of see some different variations. But let me know in the comments how you all feel about my latest nail ventures. I haven't really been doing what's on my nails because I don't really think there's much to really show, because I haven't been getting any designs. I'm not getting any long, I haven't had my nails long in a while. There's really nothing to really show you all, is how I feel. I decided to do this video today because I felt like I haven't done an update video in a while. I wanted you to have an update as far as what what's on my nails and what I'm deciding to do and how everything's been going. Other than that, like, there's no exciting. Like, the nail places that I'm going to, they aren't known for explosive designs or like bomb nails, if that makes sense. Like, they're, like even Walmart. I don't really have any friends that go to Walmart, so I've never really let me change that. Friends that go to Walmart for their nails. So I really didn't have a lot of like feedback as to if I should go or not, but I do believe that I went one time and it was just okay. I'm not down in Walmart or anything. Like, I know it's not Walmart themselves that does the nails. It's like the nail shops inside of Walmart. And it's not a horrible shop. Like, I probably will go back next time for the convenience, and they do an okay job. But it is kind of like hit or miss. I don't have a relationship with any of the nail techs there where I'm going in and I'm requesting just a certain person, and they kind of put you with whoever's available. So either I'm going to continue going there, I'm going to do my own nails, or I'm probably going to find another nail shop. Those are probably my options, but I still have my overlay. And I've really just been enjoying having my nails just manicured. As long as my nails are done, I'm kind of okay with it. I'm not as, like I said, I really just don't have the time to be as critical with my nails as I used to be, because of everything that I'm doing. Like, I'm really trying to get some things in motion, and I've gotten some things in motion. And it's like, as much as I want to even make videos, it's like my time is very, I don't want to say it's limited. That's not the right term, but I have a lot to do with my time, or I have a lot to do, and I want to be. I went this way, and there's like a big traffic jam. But I want to be as resourceful with my time as I possibly can be. Who is this calling? Okay, I will pick up the vlog. I'll come back in just one moment. I apologize for that. So before I took the call, I think I was saying that I really just don't have the time to devote to my nails like I used to. And then with my hair, it's like, you might be wondering, why is she mentioning her hair? Well, my hair is like, I'm already going to appointments for my hair. And once I get the process down pat and I feel comfortable retying my own hair, I'm going to be doing that myself. So I'm not going to be seeking out appointments to go every time to get my hair retied. But while I am doing that, it's just a lot, it's the hair appointments, it's my nail appointments, getting my toes done. It's like, I have never considered myself to be low maintenance, but I don't want to be super high maintenance either. It's just a lot of, at this light again. There's just a lot of I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, but it's just a lot of, I don't want to say it's limited, things besides my maintenance with my hair, my nails, and my toes that I want to spend time with. And so it's kind of like I'm gonna have to cut something short somewhere, and so it's the nails that got cut short. It's like, you all would not believe if I'm showing you, because normally I don't get this distracted when I'm recording, but you all would not believe if I show you on a Tuesday afternoon in my little small city, it's not even lunchtime, how jam-packed it is because of this construction. Like, I feel like I'm in a bigger city right now trying to get someplace. You don't have these traffic issues where I'm from. Not a lot of times. Not unless something is really going on. You really don't have these type of traffic jams. I'm not used to having to wait in traffic or make detours around traffic. And it's really catching me off guard. And I really wish that I should have turned back there when I started this video again versus just continuing to drive. But I did not foresee this at all. Like this, it literally looks like I'm in a big city right now with all these cars. Anyways, this is what my nails look like. That's my experience. Those are my thoughts on everything. Let me know what you all think. I appreciate you all sticking with me throughout the ride and journey of my nails. It's not over. It's a journey for a reason, meaning next week I could feel different. I could want something different on my nails. I could want tips back on. I mean, who knows? I don't think that I will, but I mean, there's a possibility. And I think that's the beauty with being able to utilize beauty services. The fact that you don't have to stick in this box and you don't have to really make a commitment to one specific style or one specific color or one specific length. You can really just do what you want to do. So let me know what you all feel, how you think, what you think about what I said, what you think about these nails, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.